Hey kids, are you ready to make some colorful alphabet letter with popsicle stick? So let's get started. Our popsicle sticks are already painted, looking super bright and fun. Look all these amazing colors. Let's start to make letter A. Take two sticks like a triangle and one across. Wow, it's the letter A. A is for yum yum apple. Now let's start to make letter B. One stick goes down and two little bumps. Wow, our letter B is ready. B is for ball. Now let's start to make letter C. C is like a half circle. C is for cat. Meow, meow. Let's make the letter D. One stick down and a little half circle. Letter D. D is for duck. Quack, quack. Now we make our next letter E. One stick down and three stick in the middle across. Letter E is ready. E is for elephant. Elephant has long trunk. Let's make the fish. Aha! I'm joking. Let's make the letter F. F is for fish. What is the next we will make? Letter G. Make a curve like a letter C, but one line across. It's the letter G. G is for yum yum grapes. After G, we make the letter H. Two lines straight and one across the middle. Letter H. H is for house. Let's start to make letter I. One stick down, one at the top and one at the bottom. I is for yum yum ice cream. One straight stick with a curve in a bottom and one at the top. Letter J. J is for juice. Wow, we are doing amazing. Good job. Keep going. What is the next will come? That's right. It's the letter K. One stick and two stick in the middle across. K is for kite. We need only two sticks to make the letter L. One stick down, one across the bottom. Letter L. L is for lion. Now we jump our next letter. Two sticks down with two little bump. M. M is for monkey. Ooh. Can you help me to make letter M? Two stick down, one slanting. Letter N. N is for nest. Let's start to make letter O. O is like a big circle. O is for orange. After O, we will make letter P. One straight line down and a one little bump. P. P is for pizza. Yummy, yummy. Now we make letter Q with these colorful sticks. Make a big circle like letter O and a little tail. Yes, it's a letter Q. Q is for queen. You know what is the next will come? That's right, it's the letter A. One stick down, one little bump, and one slanting line like a leg. This is the letter R. R is for rabbit. How to make letter S? I have one idea. Let's make a big curve like a snake. Oh, S is for snake. Let's make the letter T. Only 2 sticks we need. Letter T. T is for train. Now we jump our next letter U. Curve it up like down. A smile. U is for umbrella. We need only 2 sticks slanting to make the letter V. V is for violin. Let's make the letter W. 2 V side by side make the letter W. W is for watermelon. Wow! Let's make the letter X. Close the 2 sticks. Letter X is ready. X is for xylophone. Now the time to make letter Y. 1 stick down and 1 split at the top like a sling ghost. Y is for yo-yo. Let's make the letter Z. 1 stick slanting, 1 up, 1 in the bottom. Letter Z is ready. Z is for zebra. Zebra has black and white stripe. Okay kids, see you soon in next video. More fun and learning. Bye bye. Take care.